fellow crocheters, it's Janet with CrochetPatternsForBeginners.com. Hope everyone's doing well today and ready to learn a beginning crochet technique. What we're going to do here is something called slip stitch to join, or you'll see it as SLST to join. It's just called slip stitch to join, and it's how we join a circle. It's one way of doing that. So let's get started. Okay, let's make our slip knot. And I have here today, I'm just using a K crochet hook and some worsted weight number 4 yarn. Okay, we made our slip knot. Now let's just do a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And all we're doing here is we're just going to go ahead and we're going to stick our hook into the first chain. See that? That's right. And then we're just going to yarn over and pull through both loops. Now what we have is a circle with a center in it, and that is how we're going to start crocheting in the round. Again, that's called a slip stitch to join. Let's do that one more time so that I know everyone's got it. Okay, make your slip knot, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, insert your hook into the first chain. That's right, so now you've got 2 loops on your hook. Okay, not your tail, but with your working yarn. Go ahead and yarn over and just pull through both loops. That's slip stitch to join. Wasn't that easy? You just made a circle. All right, fellow crocheters, have a great day and happy crocheting.